Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ruchika and welcome to Creating Balance. Yes, we all know that sugars are not good for us. But what about artificial sweeteners? Are they any better? Let's explore about this today. So let's start the video. Lacking in any nutrient, sugars were just adding empty calories to our diet. They were also found related to various other health issues like obesity and diabetes. Then artificial sweeteners come into play. They were as sweet as sugars but add only a fewer calories to our diet. Now what else can we ask for? But later on, these artificial sweeteners were found related to various other health issues. Artificial sweeteners are basically sugar substitutes which are made from chemicals. Now, these artificial sweeteners cannot be completely digested by our body. They are only partially broken down. That is why they gives us only a fewer calories. But these artificial sweeteners loaded with chemicals strains our immune system. One such artificial sweetener is aspartame. Aspartame is one of the most popular artificial sweeteners and is 200 times sweeter than the sugar. Aspartame is very commonly found in various products, especially in the food items that are labeled as diet foods, like various carbonated soft drinks, then dessert mixes, frozen desserts, chewing gums, yogurt, and sugar-free cough drops. Now, Dr. Alan Gabay reported that this aspartame found in various commercial products and in heated beverages may be a trigger for seizures. Karen Congo, a nutritionist and the director of Wellness Life Club program at Brooklyn Hospital Center, says that despite of the claims from Coke and other companies about the safety of aspartame, we are not sure about its long-term effect. In fact, in 1994, the 75% of non-drug related complaints to FDA were in response to aspartame. Now, it is also clear these days that aspartame cannot be used at high temperatures like for baking. Then it cannot be used for patients with phenylketonuria. One more study was published that says that aspartame caused cancer in rats and mice. One more very common artificial sweetener is sucralose. Now, sucralose was initially developed in 1970s by the scientists who were actually trying to develop an insecticide. Sucralose is often promoted as the most natural sweetener because it comes from sugar. But during the processing of the sugar, some of its molecules are replaced by chlorine. In 2020, an independent Italian lab announced a study which shows that sucralose caused leukemia in mice that were exposed to it before birth. Now, sucralose is also known to reduce the amount of probiotics in our gut, which are very essential for a healthy digestive system. There are various other sugar substitutes also, like saccharin, which should be completely avoided during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Then ace-sulfame, potassium, advantame and neotame, etc. But all of these are related to various other controversies. Both sugars and artificial sweeteners are addictive in nature. But artificial sweeteners are likelier to get you more hungry and then eat more throughout the day. Now, relying on artificial sweeteners can also cause increased craving for more sugars and more sweets. A study on diabetes care found that daily consumption of diet drinks is associated with 36% increased risk for metabolic syndrome and 67% increased risk for type 2 diabetes as compared to non-consumption. Now, what do we actually need to do? Instead of replacing our regular sugar with artificial sweeteners and then consuming the same or even more amount of sugary treats throughout our day, we need to reduce the amount of regular sugar consumption throughout our day and adapt our palate to less sweet taste. Now, American Heart Association recommends 6 teaspoons, that is 25 grams of sugar for women, and 9 teaspoons, that is 38 grams of sugar for men per day. But what I prefer is replacing the refined sugar with natural sugars like jaggery or jaggery powder or honey, because these sugars also have calories in them, but they have certain other nutrients also. But the refined sugar is devoid of any nutrient. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching.